So I know some of you guys who've been watching me for a while know that I am actually going to be doing a raku, and so today's the day. We're going to be heading out. I'm doing it at my local clay studio, Clay Connection, and yeah, so we'll just be doing some raku. I have about 4 pieces that I'm going to be horsehairing, and they're all for some friends of mine who lost their horses, and so this is kind of a way they could remember them by using their hair to make pretty pottery. So we'll be doing that, and then I also have that sea turtle plate. If you've been watching me on Facebook or Instagram, I've been kind of posting little updates for how it was made and carved and all that jazz. So we'll actually be rakuing it, and so we'll get to figure out what the fate is of the sea turtle plate. If it makes it, if it cracks, if it turns out as awesome as that dragon plate I did the last time we rakued. So yeah, so that's what we're doing. I'll see you there. Hi, so here I am at the Clay Connection. We've got the raku kiln going right now, and I'm just waiting for a piece to get out. I'm doing the horsehair first, and so it'll be really fun to watch that.
No, it's worth it. I just wanted to. It was me. I came right up to it. Have you ever done the feathers? Is it similar?
Yeah, there's a feather on this one.
Oh yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. I have it.
There it is.
What else can you get in there?
Boy, that cools fast. Okay, so I just got the sea turtle plate in, and we're just waiting for the temperature to get hot enough so that we can pull it from the kiln now, put it in a trash can and let it reduce. And that's really fun to see, especially at night. I was kind of excited that it got so dark, because it's really cool to watch how hot the kiln is and the pieces and stuff kind of start glowing and stuff, and you can see it better in the dark than you can during the day. So that'll be pretty awesome to watch, and I will show you that next. Alright, well, we got done with the raku. Unfortunately, the sea turtle plate was a bust. It ended up cracking, and the glaze didn't really turn out the way it was supposed to. But you know, that's kind of the way raku goes. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. I did get four really awesome horsehair pieces though, so, and none of those cracked, as far as I could tell so far. I will give them a closer inspection once they get home, but, and you know, it's just fun hanging out with other potters and, you know, rakuing, and whether or not they turn out, sometimes it's just half the fun to see. So thank you for joining me for another raku video, and I want to remind you to like and subscribe and hit that bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. And remember to make messes, make mistakes, and enjoy that process. Bye.